The entire country is mourning the untimely death of Zubeen Garg, the heartthrob of Northeast India and one of India's most celebrated musicians. The iconic artist passed away on Friday while scuba diving in Singapore. Born on November 18, 1972 in Assam, Zubeen Garg was an Indian singer, music director, and composer widely known for his work in Assamese, Bengali, and Hindi music and film industries. His first Assamese album Anamika was released in 1992 and became a milestone in his musical journey. He won the Best Music Composer Award for the Bengali film Shudhu Tumi and received the prestigious Global Indian Film Award for his hit Hindi song Ya Ali. Fondly known as the Prince of Northeast, Zubeen Garg met a tragic accident while scuba diving in Singapore on September 19, 2025. Although police rescued him and rushed him to a hospital, he succumbed to his injuries. His passing has cast a deep shadow of grief across the nation. Bureau Report News Now.